to
I
help
don't
me
even
assist
have
you.
money. Since this week, I don't go out.
I'm going to Lugbe. Yes, sir. Any amount at all, I'm okay with it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Sorry, please don't go yet. I'm not really in need of the money. I was just like trying to look for the first person that would be willing to help me, the first kind person. So meaning that if you had the money with you, you would have helped me. Yeah?
Yes. I actually have a health condition. I'm diabetic.
Oh,
Very critical. I live on drugs. I buy every 3 weeks.
every 3 weeks.
Yes. And right now, it's as high as 10,000. I'm not really eating what I'm supposed to eat because I'm supposed to live on diet.
Okay.
Because of the conditions, I eat what I see.
Would you permit me to add to what you've given to me? No, this